Hey everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another MASC Minute. So today I'm going to talk to you about Evolution Man's new deodorant. It's scented with their signature scent called Noir, which means something black in French. I don't speak French, so I don't know other than Noir means French. Anyway, it's a sexy looking deodorant. It's a nice sort of sleek black bottle, or what would you call that? Not a bottle, container. And it's got like a light blue scent to it. I've actually been using this for the last couple of months, so this is a very honest review. So the Noir scent is a very sort of sophisticated cologne-like smell, derived from natural raw ingredients. But it definitely does smell like a cologne. And in comparison to some of the other deodorants we have, like the Evolution Man deodorant, this definitely, you can smell the scent throughout the day. So it does act more like a cologne in that sense, in my opinion. Outside of that, well, first of all, let me talk about some of the features of the product which make it good. It's aluminum-free, alcohol-free, which a lot of guys are looking for. So that means that, well, with respect to the aluminum, it's not going to stain the clothing. It's a transparent formula. As you can see, it goes on clear. Contains some white charcoal. Charcoal has natural antibacterial properties, which also will help to control odor. And anyway, what I was saying was, in terms of effectiveness, I did find this to be an effective deodorant. And for me, I was using it as my sort of post-workout going to work deodorant. And I found it to be completely effective. It gave me complete anti-odor protection throughout the day. It is winter right now, so I'm not really sweating very much. So I can't really speak to that, but generally deodorants don't necessarily help with wetness. They just are more to deodorize. So anyway, yeah, if you're looking for a deodorant that has some cologne-like properties to it, that is effective too, and alcohol, aluminum free, I definitely recommend this one, Evolution Man Noir deodorant. My French is bad. Check it out, shopmasc.com, and if you're in Vancouver, come and give it a whiff. Thanks for listening.